Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You need two things right now: a compatible TV input and a shared network or cable. First, make sure the TV is set to the correct source, HDMI for adapters, or the casting app for Chromecast/AirPlay/Miracast. This reduces handshake errors. Once done, connect your phone to the same Wi-Fi network as the TV or plug in an MHL/USB-C to HDMI adapter. These steps let your phone discover the TV. Proceed only after the TV shows ready or searchable status. You'll now initiate the actual link. On Android, open Display Cast or Quick Settings Cast. On iPhone, swipe to Control Center and tap Screen Mirroring. Tap the TV name shown. The phone sends a discovery packet and the TV responds to confirm identity. If prompted, accept a PIN or allow prompt on the TV to complete pairing. This prevents unwanted connections. Make sure both devices stay awake during the handshake. Sleep modes can interrupt the process and force a retry. Once connected, open the app or content you want to view and set orientation and volume from your phone. The TV mirrors or streams as directed. If you see lag, stutter, or unsupported formats, switch to a wired HDMI adapter for instant, stable output. If connection fails, reboot both phone and TV, confirm they are on the same Wi-Fi band too. 4 versus 5 GHz can matter, and reselect the TV in your phone's cast menu. That single reboot often clears transient network or discovery fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.